Hello, good evening, everyone. C'est Tessa. This is Tessa la Combattante. This is I decided to, it's been a while since I addressed the Haitian diaspora. Je n'ai pas dit c'est tout Haitian diaspora. J'ai décidé pour me faire parler avec nous, mais je vais faire en anglais. Parce que un peu le channel c'est en créole lié, so même m'a pas adressé diaspora parce que son diaspora mié, je crois que diaspora, je crois que tout le monde a adressé peuple haïtien qui est haïtien, je crois que même je crois que c'est diaspora qui mérite on parler qui mérite un peu le parler. So, excusez-moi, m'a branché, m'a focus plus sur diaspora. Parce que moi, c'est diaspora réellement vrai qui... Et m'a parlé avec diaspora qui vivent en diaspora pour des années. Pas diaspora qui fait venir sous Biden. Non, non, même. I'm sorry. So I'm not even going to address you guys. Like, real talk, I'm not addressing you guys. So just let me be who I am. Let me be the diaspora I have been for many years, for over 30 years, over 40 years, and so on. Let me address my diaspora. Like, let me address you guys because we're going to be on the same page because, you know, we are the proud Haitians, right? Right? We are the proud Haitian. And I'm not putting you guys at fault at all because you know why? A lot of you are very proud and I'm proud, right? But there's a lot of you who doesn't understand what's going on. And I don't blame you for it because there's a lot of stuff that you guys were not aware of. A lot of you guys are just waking up. And that's the reason why it says Haitian pride versus Haitian action. Why the diaspora is letting outsiders land at will. And why some of you are letting this happen. Because like I said, a lot of you don't understand, don't know. And I remember 3-4 years ago, I was speaking to a friend through DM and Instagram, and I told him, he was like, well, first of all, he hit me up. He says, hey, I see you go to Haiti all the time. Aren't you scared? I'm like, no, I go to Haiti all the time. And, you know, Port-au-Prince is not Haiti. And, you know, when you see journalists that goes to Haiti to take the best picture of what's happening, why are they taking pictures? You ever see a bullet come through their lens? You ever see them get shot? Of course not. You know, this is the kind of shot that they need to make people like that friend who hit me up, to make them scared, make them be afraid not to come to Haiti. Meanwhile, these people who are taking awards for coming back with the best pictures, you know, they're giving them awards to come back with the best pictures to make you scared, to make you very scared, and you never come back to Haiti. In the meantime, your mother is depressed, your father is depressed, your aunt is depressed, your grandmother, your grandfather, your whole family is depressed because they can't go to Haiti. Meanwhile, people like myself go to Haiti on a regular basis, right? And because there's a few of us like myself who go and we understand. And that's the saddest part. So they make you believe that Port-au-Prince is Haiti. Port-au-Prince is not. You understand? Port-au-Prince is not Haiti. So the Creole, I put it there so for the people that understand. So I'm going to address that because I want you to understand that when they put Haiti as a high alert, Haiti is not the first time it's been on a high alert. Before COVID, during COVID, throughout COVID, after COVID, you have to understand that this is a country that everybody's so proud of to say we're the first black country to have the freedom, to have this. If it wasn't for Haiti, a lot of country wouldn't be free. America wouldn't be who it is today. America wouldn't be called America if it wasn't today. America wouldn't be speaking English today if it wasn't for Haitian people, which is true. But today we're taking so many credit for the freedom of everybody. And what are we doing for ourselves? What credit are we giving ourselves today for today, what's happening in Haiti today? Now, remember how they say they were sending back 500,000 Haitians back to Haiti, the people that came illegally? I agree with that. Like, it's not just a Haitian thing. It's everybody. Whoever came here illegally is the same way. We have that same right to kick people who's not supposed to be in our land in Haiti. We have that same right to kick people. How are they going to say that they put us as high terrorists in their own country while they're landing in ours anytime they want? We have that same right. We have our own constitution that we're supposed to make them respect. on my page, I have placed Constitution. I got to up to Article 9. And if you guys want me to continue, I can continue that for you guys. I make it in Creole and I also break it down in English. And I will continue to do it. In the planners that I create, in my planners, I actually added the Haitian, the original 1805 Haitian Constitution. It's in the original in French. It's also in Creole. It's also in English. It's in the planners that I have created since 2024, 2025. And I also have my planners that's dropping for 2026. So let me tell you something, guys. I have created something that other people have not created for us Haitian people. And I'm telling you, like, it's time that we put our Haitian Constitution, the 1805 Constitution, into practice. We have the same rights that they have. We're the one that have to make people respect our soil. The same rules and rights they are implemented in their own country, which they have every right to do so. We have the same exact right. Where do they get the rights to say who can be president in our country? What should we do? What part they think they should be taking? What part they should be taking? Can I say who could be president, who could be prime minister in their country? What nerve would I have, or the thought? That would be some mental case situation for me to think I could have any say in their own political whatever situation. So for them to, don't you see what they think of us? In their mind, they think we're still slave. Like they still want to, this is like a new modernized slavery. And y'all still want to be part of that? So when I go on Eastern Parkway, I go there on purpose with my red and black flag, just to like kind of like ruffle some feathers, just to see who's going to question me, just to see who's going to touch me. And I still see that y'all celebrate something that, what are you proud of? What are you, fierté? What is your fierté? What is your dignity? Like, what are you proud of? Like, really? For years, I have been saying, all the people that's making you dance today, I've been saying that for years. Oh, man. Really, people. If you're really proud of who you are, it's time that we all stand up. Remember when they say when they say Haitian people had HIV, that Haitian people can no longer give blood? You remember what we did on that Brooklyn Bridge? Nobody ever shook that bridge but us Haitian people. What are we waiting for? I'm not saying for us to cause riot. No, we're not to do that. I'm only asking you to stand up for your own country in Haiti. If we stand and say, no, we want our country to be better. We want our, you're so proud. Like, I'm Haitian, I'm Haitian, I'm Haitian. And then your country looking like trash bag. And you get upset because they tell you to get your country look like for real, like a trash bag. Like, you mad? Ain't it true? Don't Port-au-Prince look like somebody went to Pakistan in it? Don't Port-au-Prince looking crazy, bro. And when they tell you Haiti looking poor, tell them it's Port-au-Prince, bro. I'm from Port-au-Prince. And that's not the Port-au-Prince I grew up in. It's not the same Port-au-Prince I grew up in. I grew up in a Port-au-Prince where you can come out. We used to come out, you leave the gate open. You used to be able to see your house from outside the street. Now the walls are so high you can't even tell there's a house behind that tall wall. You can't even tell. It's not the same Port-au-Prince. You have people living in the countries more comfortable than people who have nice properties in Port-au-Prince. They can't even live their best life. People, my Haitian diaspora, we have to do better, y'all. How do you think people looking at us when we go to Bal, when we go to Eastern Parkway with the flag? Yo, we pulled up. Every year we're pulled up. Let me tell you, when they say they were sending 500,000 people this year, 2025, out of all the years I've been going, this was the first time I've seen much more Haitian people. It's like they challenge y'all. They say they're going to send y'all back to Haiti. It's like y'all say, you know what? You send me back to Haiti, I'm pulling up on Eastern Parkway first, and we're going to pull up 10 times deeper. That's what I saw. But nobody pulled up at the American Embassy to say, you know what, I need y'all to stop doing what y'all doing in Haiti. Nobody's doing that. Are we giving up in Haiti? While a lot of y'all have like a Haitian flag tattooed on your body with the Haitian flag, like bathing suits and all of that, right? You one of them people? You one of them proud Haitian people? Don't get mad at me, y'all. Listen, I love Haiti. You know why I love Haiti? Let me tell you something. My parents owned their crib here before they passed away. My mother went to Haiti specifically. Every time I do something, I do a video, y'all always going to talk about how proud I am. Way before y'all didn't want to say y'all, a lot of y'all didn't want to say y'all was Haitian. You're always going to hear me say how my mother went back to Haiti to give birth to me. A lot of family was not happy about that. She went back to give birth to me. So I have a mission for me to talk about my country, to stand for my country. So that little bit you see on my page, I don't really get my props. It's all good. I'm not here for props. Because a lot of things that I do is not for recognition. So a lot of y'all may not see what I do because I'm not here to boast about what I do. But God will show my work. I have done a lot for people in Haiti and the community that my grandmother's from. And my work will speak for itself. That's the kind of person that I am. I keep everything that I do private, but the people in the community boast about it. Well, I'm asking y'all, when y'all really proud of where you're from, let your action represent where you're really from. Because the only person that can save Haiti is only us Haitian people. We don't have a second home. Even if you were only born in America, as long as you got that Haitian blood running through your vein, your only home is Haiti. We got that vein, we got that blood in our vein, that 509 blood, that they're never gonna like us. But you know what's special about that 509 blood? You see how that COVID and everything else was hitting us, was hitting everybody? It hit us different. You may have lost a family member, a friend, but you see how people get hit with trauma, all types of stuff. Do you see how resilient that you are? How we handle trauma differently than any other culture? Know who you are, man. We built different. Notice that when people are cursing us out, you know what they always say? Y'all think you're all of that? Do you think they just say that just to say that? They see something in us that a lot of you guys don't see. They see something in us that you don't even know that you have. You remember, oh, you Haitian boat people, y'all think y'all all of that? Y'all think y'all better than everybody else? We are better than them. We have this blood that nobody have. We may be black, but we built different. That's why there's one culture, we're so close to them. We just like each other, them Africans. We built different. We are the same. We are the closest to each other. I'm telling y'all, we built different. I'm telling you guys, know who you are. Find out who you are. When you say you're Haitian, find out who you are. You're not just anybody. Ou pas n'importe qui moun men. Cherchez kon qui est souye, sou pas kon qui est l'autre du moun sou haïtien. Ou est l'autre traumatisé, l'autre nation traumatisée. Gade qui gens ou même, qui gens prend traumatisation ça. Find out how you handle this, how another culture handle themselves. We built different. We're resilient. We're strong people from the roots. We gotta do better, people. We gotta do better. We gotta do better. And we can do better. Only us can save us. In this fight, after God, we gotta take action. You hear me? Ayi bobo. In the meantime, do you see the header? Nou an lèk kotek make Tessa la Combattante, Ayi bobo. That's my song dropping in a couple weeks because I'm just getting all my paperwork in order with my music. I'm not just dropping music on YouTube. I'm doing everything officially. So look out for Ayi bobo. Show me some love. My music is all about music revolution. C'est pas musique pour me faire nous danser, mais pendant nap danser, c'est musique revolution. That's gonna hit you mentally. Pour nous casser chaîne qui mentalité, chaîne mentalité que nous gagnons pour nous casser chaîne ça parce que it's time that we revolutionize our brain pour nous lever casser chaîne là parce que cerveau chaîne mentalité ça, cerveau esclave là, we gotta take it out, man. Pour nous casser ça. Ayi bobo. C'est ça la combattante.
Tessa la tout l'autre combattant.